Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fried pork rib with garlic and pepper or ซี่โครงหมูทอดกระเทียมพริกไทย Okay, first we're gonna cut the rib. When I buy from the store, if they're getting wrong like this, sometimes you might find out a little bit bigger. You can tell them to cut it half, or if you're comfortable with that side, it's fine with that side too. I use 1.5 pound of this pork rib, and now I'm gonna cut into the bite side. Cut in between the bone and the meat to the square side. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish cut all our pork rib, and when I finish this, we come back to the next step. Next, we're gonna make our marinade. So we're gonna start with our black pepper. Black pepper, I use 1 teaspoon, and I use a half teaspoon salt, sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna start to powering our black pepper and the salt. Okay, and next I'm gonna put our 4 cloves garlic and 2 tablespoons the cilantro stem. Put all together, and we're gonna pound this all together until they mix well and together. Okay, and then now I'm done pounding everything together, and they mix well and smooth all together. We're gonna go to the next step. Okay, I'm gonna move our pork rib into the bowl. Okay, so it's be easier for us to mix. And next I'm gonna put our garlic and the cilantro stem and our pepper and salt put inside the our pork rib. This one will make our pork rib smell really good, because the cilantro stem and the garlic, when they cook together, it's magical. Okay, and I already washed my hand, and next I'm gonna put the white pepper to make it extra hot, because this one called garlic and pepper. So I'm gonna put another 1 teaspoon white pepper. This will make the rib extra hot. If you cannot handle too hot, just put it only half teaspoon. And next I'm gonna put the 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon fish sauce go in. Okay, next our Golden Mountain seasoning soy sauce. Okay, another 1 tablespoon also. Right, 1 tablespoon Golden Mountain soy sauce go in. Okay, and the last one, it will be the oyster sauce. Another 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Okay, oyster sauce little thick, so 1 tablespoon oyster sauce go in. And next we're gonna mix everything well together. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix everything together until the rib all sucks all the sauce. I love how the garlic and the cilantro stem and pepper, when they smell together, when they cook together, they smell really good. Okay, and now I done mixing our pork rib and all our marinade together. As you can see, everything thick all together now. Now I'm gonna put the lid on and marinate for 30 minutes, and come back and for the next step. Okay, and now our pork rib marinate for 30 minutes, and now time to fry our pork rib. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. Okay, and I use 4 cups of the vegetable oil. I put the 2 cups of the garlic oil that I frying the crispy garlic, and I put the 2 cups of the vegetable oil. And now I turn on the stove and put all the oil going. It looks like a lot of oil, but it will be easier for you when you put extra oil for fry our pork rib. Okay, and now I turn down the heat to the medium, and I'm gonna start put our pork rib right now. We don't have to wait until the oil is really hot. We can just slowly put them down right now because so they not get all burned. You want them to be slowly cooked, so everything not getting burned, and your pork rib will cook perfectly. Okay, now I'm gonna let everything slowly cook all together, but you have to keep your eye on this and keep mixing, because if you're not moving a lot of them, the garlic and the garlic will start getting burned. So make sure you continue to stir them a little bit at a time. Okay, now you mix them nice and slow, and make sure you keep mixing them a lot of time, because you don't want the garlic to be burned, because if your garlic burn, it will taste bitter. Okay, and now I be cooking our rib for about 12 minutes, and they start getting cooked all the way through, but I want the outside to be a little crispy. So now I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit to make the outside a little bit crispy and soft in the inside. Okay, after I put the heat up a little bit, it takes me another 3 minutes. As you can see, your rib start changing color. This is what the way that we want, and now that's it, all we done. I'm gonna turn off the stove now and move into the rack. Okay, and now I'm gonna put our rib into the rack. So okay, can drain some extra oil. Oh, look at the color. Oh, and they smell so good too. Wow, it will be a good appetizer. So I use about like 15 minutes total to fry the rib. It takes a little bit of time, but trust me, they will come out really good. And now we done our fried pork rib with the garlic and pepper. All we have to do, I just gonna paste them, and we ready to try it. Okay, now I ready to paste it, and I have the sriracha sauce to eat with our pork rib, and also I have the cilantro and fried garlic to be our garnish. And for the recipe for the crispy garlic and the garlic oil, I already have the video before, so I'm gonna put the link for you before I'm gonna put the link for you. Okay, so it will, okay, now I just gonna put the garlic on top. Yes, remember this is a garlic and pepper pork rib, so it will have to be a lot of garlic. Okay, and make the skin with our cilantro. Wow, that's it, we're done. And now I'm ready to try this, our fried pork rib. Okay, and now I'm ready to try our pork rib, and they can be very good appetizer. I can't wait to eat them all, and also the cameraman cannot wait to try this too. Now he really jealous right now, and also the whole house smells so good with the garlic and the cilantro stem. I just gonna use my hand to try this, and the first bite I'm not gonna try with the sauce. I just want to know the taste from just our pork ribs. So as you can see, it come out very easy from the bone, and the crispy on the outside, and the soft on the outside, and still juicy on the inside. I mean, I talk back and forth, but you know what I mean. Okay, and I'm gonna try one more with the sauce. I'm just gonna dip a little bit the sriracha sauce. Oh, look at this. Even better with the sauce, I think, because you can have a little bit spicy and a little bit sweet from the sriracha sauce. Oh, this is perfect appetizer. I'm gonna finish the whole plate right now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.